Well, we want to get 2019 rolling on the right foot, and that means fixing common mistakes when it comes to fashion. Ladies, your guys may need some help. Joining us now is Keith Novorr from Michael's Clothing. So if we are conservative, or maybe our boyfriend, our husband dresses conservatively, how can we still get them to step out of the box when it comes to fashion?
Well, I'll tell you what, we have creatures of habit, so we've got beautiful new fabrications that gentlemen would look at and just go, wow. I brought something to my right here that is really a nice piece. It's a boucle. Instead of gentlemen wearing blazers, solid colors, we now have a mixture of fabrics, quality with textures and color. I just brought a blue, which is incredibly hot it's been over the last year and coming. So just taking a sport shirt with a good looking sport coat, getting a little accessory with a pocket square, just adds a little more pizzazz to his looks. I brought some shirts down that are somewhat a little more conservative, but yet the neckwear can make it pop. So virtually, whether it's little geometric patterns, and I've got florals with different widths of the younger generation today is wearing the skinnier look. Everybody seems to want to look really nice in their clothing.
And you know what? I've been noticing that a lot of knit ties are also coming in.
Yes, yes. It's called like a silk grenadine tie, and it's cut with a flat bottom and it's knitted. And it takes a different guy to wear it, but you know, if you're suggesting it, it comes out pretty darn good. Okay,
Keith, one thing I want to talk about, you've actually been fitting men for clothing in the Metro for years, and how did that all get started?
Tell you what, back in 1905, my grandfather, Michael, came to this country, an immigrant from Odessa, Russia, and shined shoes, hauled ice on his back to earn enough money to open up a clothing store, which actually started off as a pawn shop, as being depicted on TV here, which is really nice. And on the floors, you'll see there's spittoons, and right there, which is really interesting, my grandfather chose 19th and Main, which was just north of Union Station, so when servicemen would come from over in Leavenworth, tailors would sew their stripes on when they would get promotions.
Oh,
and that's how it really started.
That is so nice. And one thing, maybe a throwback to the past, you had to have, if you're an Army man, if you're a Navy man, right, everything has to be looking very sharp. But men now, they want to have that perfect tailored look. So what are some places that we need to look for if we're dressing our guys, or maybe if a guy's out suit shopping?
Sure. Well, I brought this mannequin along to show how it's suppressed right in the waist. We want to make guys look shapely, you know, and everybody wants to look slim, no matter what your fit and what your size is. And what's really wonderful at our store, I've got a full tailor shop with a master tailor, and there's nothing we can't do. And that, to me, is a lost art today, and finding good people that know what they're doing, making the clothes fit.
It is difficult. Now, we're going to have to go, but I did want to pull this up because a lot of guys, maybe they want that dressy casual without going the suit route. Look at that. It's a totally different pattern just on the other side of the cuff. So Keith, thank you so much.